Hello, this is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Life Coach. Today I want to talk about how to safely buy alkaline, vegan, keto groceries during the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. So a lot of people are freaking out. That's why we're talking about healthy eating, and disclaimer, I'm not a medical doctor, so I can't claim to prevent or cure any disease, even if I can legally off limits. So I won't be making any claims. But that being said, I can guarantee that you will feel better if you follow my system. So I have a whole system. I also have a whole series of alkaline vegan shopping videos where I go into the store and show you exactly what to buy and what not to buy. And I did this at several stores already, and if I didn't do your favorite store, comment below and I'll do yours next. So, how did I become the Alkaline Life Coach? Well, it's a long story, but to make it short and sweet, I was very sick for years and years and years. I had chronic illnesses. I finally reversed them in less than a month. And I have a longer, like 40-minute video going deep into that. If you want to see that, it's in the links in the description, but I won't bore you with that here. For this video, I'm just talking about how to safely buy alkaline vegan keto groceries when you go grocery shopping during the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. So why this shopping series? Well, I go into this in other videos. I have a video about what you should be doing in self-quarantine lockdown to feel better. I also have just a lot of free info in my channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. So while you're cooped up, you can really take your health to another level. For those of you that are in a really serious condition and need my personal help, if this is confusing, you can actually hire me to just be your personal coach and coach you through this every single day. This just doesn't work for me. This is for anyone with cells. This is food to heal and feed every cell in our body. It's also anti-mucus. So if you're worried about a virus and you're worried about mucus, which that's the danger, is that it swamps your lungs and drowns you in mucus. Well, there are anti-mucus diets, which is what we're doing in this channel. Everything we're doing will help with that and also helps energy levels. Find out for yourself. I had to find out for myself 2 years ago, and now I made a long-lasting change. The last 2 years have been amazing. So, number one, here are the 3 tips on how to safely buy alkaline vegan foods in the grocery store. Number one is get the food list, okay? I have a free list of foods in my group in the description. All you have to do, join the group, and the list is in there as a file download. If you can't find it, just say where's the list and I'll tag you directly. It's easy. Then that's a 1 sheet. You can print that out and take it to the store with you. That'll make it, this is most of the work, because once you're in the store, if you're hungry or don't know what you're getting, then it's up to temptation. And then you have to use your willpower to try to, and that doesn't work. That's not how to be healthy. That's what I noticed growing up, is that how come people won't eat, like, for example, people go on diets and they don't work. They get mixed results, and they think, oh, well, it's been a little while since I've had cake, so I can have it now. Well, that doesn't make sense. If it's not good, then why is it good once in a while? It isn't. That's wrong thinking. It's everything in moderation does not count for toxins. Okay? Toxic stuff is never good in any amount. So we need to just shift our thinking a little bit. It won't kill you. Well, just because it doesn't kill you from eating one bite of it doesn't mean it's good for you. So I've completely shifted over to where I used to not be able to get out of bed on some days. Now I jump out of bed. It's stark contrast. My life is absolutely different. This list of food is one of the major things that helped me. It's just one of the major things. So, number 2, get the shopping lists. In the same group with the food list, I share, every time I go shopping, I share a shopping list. Also, I have videos, a series, like I mentioned. This is the first video in the series. And then, if I didn't do your favorite store yet, just comment and I'll do, but I have several different stores that I go through in the store and walk you through it. So I also, in the group, post every time I go my receipt after, so you can see what I'm eating all the time in that group. And there's no secret there. It's just I'm transparent about, because it works so well. And also, it's not just for me. Some of my clients who have really taken this seriously have gotten 10 times the energy. Check that out right here. The next point, the tip 3, is to read the label. So you've got the food list, you've got the shopping list. Well, isn't that enough? Well, here's where it counts. You have to read the label, okay? And you'll see me doing this in this video series. You'll see me looking at the label and then deciding, oh no, that's not on the one. Even if one thing on that label is not on my list, I don't get it. It's not worth it to me. To me, this is life or death. Just because my experience, my health was a wreck. And it became really serious for me. So I don't stray from it because I'll feel it physically and mentally. So our brain is part of our body too. And a lot of our mood producing hormones are in our gut, not necessarily in our head. So what we eat definitely plays a role in what we feel. Definitely. There's no way around it. There's no way around it. Some people try to scoff at this or shrug it off. You're gonna pay the price. I know that for myself. So that's why I'm so strict about this. It makes it easier for me. I have way more energy. My clients have way more energy. And the list makes it easy, then I don't have to deal with temptation. If I'm hungry when I go shopping, I have the list, and I've been also practicing this for 2 years. So it's easy now. At the beginning, the list is the key. Look at the label. If there's even one thing that you're not sure about, don't buy. It's that easy. You just have to lay down the hammer. And the time to do it is not in your cupboard. The time to do it is at the store before you paid money for it. Don't give your money to toxic ingredients. Try this out, see how your body thanks you, and then you'll know it works. So let's recap. 1, get the food list in the group, it's free. 2, shopping lists, I post them real time. As we go, there's a lot already posted, and I'm only eating this same stuff, but you can see how it works, and you can see me doing it. It'll help encourage and keep focused. Number 3, read the label, because you've got the list and shopping list, so you got to make sure the label is on the list, and then that's it. Don't pay the money for stuff that isn't on the list. Reward the companies that are selling healthy stuff. They're getting your money, good, feel good about it. They're selling the alkaline foods, awesome, that's what I need. I hope they stay in business and keep selling it so that I can keep eating it, okay? So let's support these companies that are selling stuff that helps us live, and gradually stop supporting the people adding chemicals that are going to hurt you into the foods. And if you have kids, don't feed that to your kids either. If you're not sure if it's on the list, don't buy. You won't starve from not eating enough, most cases. If you're wealthy enough to afford internet and a phone or whatever you're watching this on, odds are you're not going to starve from not eating. What you will starve from is not getting minerals. Back when I was really sick and malnourished, I was eating every day. I didn't go a day without food. I was eating stuff that was blocking nutrients from being absorbed. So just because you're eating doesn't mean you're getting anything out of it, okay? So you're paying money for something because you think it's going to give you energy, because you're thinking in terms of calories. We're changing that. We're shifting it over to think about alkalinity and minerals. Those minerals are what's going to give you energy. I have plenty of energy, right? I didn't even eat today yet. I'm gonna eat today. I'm intermittent fasting. That's normal life for me. I don't just wake up and shovel food. I wake up and work, and I have tons of energy. And then later, if I'm not fasting, if I'm not water fasting, then I eat around 1 or 2 p.m. It's already almost 2 p.m. when I'm recording this. You're gonna see it at a random time later. You know, I used to never miss breakfast because I couldn't afford to, I thought. But I was never getting minerals out of my food. So if you want more info on this, or if you want my help daily, reach out to me. Links are in the description. This is how to get out of pain into more energy and well-being and health. This is how to go from wondering, what do I even eat? It's a pandemic going on. There's a lot of people wondering how to, fight back, how to be healthier, to be more equipped. Don't wait any longer. Don't suffer any longer. If you got value, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Until next time, peace.